In this video, you will learn how to remove the default password from your Samsung A10's lock screen. This here is the regular A10. This procedure also works to remove the PIN or any other password you may have set on the home screen. Remove the SIM card, remove your memory card, because this procedure, as you know, will erase everything stored in its memory. Let's put it on the emergency screen to perform the procedure. It's easier if you press the volume down and power buttons at the same time. When it restarts, release only the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll show you here to make it easier for you. Volume down and power. Hold them until the device restarts just for a few seconds. The process doesn't take long. Release volume down, press volume up since it has already restarted. Now release the power button and keep holding the volume up button here at the top. But let's wait for it to enter recovery mode. This is recovery mode. Now we go down by pressing the volume down button until we reach the option Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm with power, go down again with volume down and confirm again with power. Let's wait for this process to finish. Once you reach this screen, just confirm one more time with the power button. And here you just need to wait a little bit. And your device will restart. And you'll notice that it won't have any more screen lock passwords or pins. After you've completed this procedure we've just shown you. If you have any questions, you can contact us. Our contact information is in the description in case you also need to unlock your email or your Google account. We can do this unlocking for you, even remotely from anywhere you are. You can get in touch with us and we'll handle the unlocking. Our contact number is there on the screen, so you can reach out and speak directly with me. We will give you the best assistance, so that you can address your concerns, clear up any doubts, and also check the pricing for your device unlocking. But if all you wanted was to unlock the screen password on this device, I'm sure this video helped you. And if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel. Our pics will also be in the video description. And it doesn't matter how much you give. What matters is your help, your support, and your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you all. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care and see you next time.